However, I'm just gonna do a crazy song that my favorite cousin named Zaida Marla. She's my favorite cousin. She make up this thing by adding the "b" to it, like Shana, Nada, Papa, Neighbor, Jamaica, Elaba, and Kimala, Larry, and I'm just gonna add so I'm gonna say it. Qualestein, Qualestein, Nula Kyla, Nula Qualestein, Kyla, Palestein, Never Stabber, Shabba Stabber, Shabba Stabber, Shabba Stabber, Shabba Stabber. Bye. I meant Bauer.